Hi, I'm Steve-O's Barbecue here in Las Vegas, and today we're cooking with Cowboy. We're gonna start off with the carne asada that we're gonna marinate over here for you, show you how to do it our way, and then we're gonna cook it right here on our Oklahoma Joe and get it going, nice grilled and sealed, and get it going. Thank you. All right, we're gonna use flank steak today. And the reason I like flank steak, I like the way it sears. I love the way it cooks on the grill, and I know exactly what I'm doing with it, so this is the best for me. Here we go. On our flank steak, we're gonna marinate it, and the reason we marinate it is because we want to get it nice and tender. We want to add all that flavor in there for you, so you'll be like, oh, forget about it, this is really good. Then when we put it on the grill, you're gonna get all that flavor coming out, and it's not gonna dry out. That is the main reason why we want to do that. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get the lime juice in here. We got this lime juice out of 2 limes. We're gonna add it into our bowl for marinade. Next thing we got a 1/2 cup of orange juice. We're gonna add that right in there. Then we're gonna add our minced garlic that we already minced for you, so it's all TV magic, so you can see it right there. And add that right in there. Then we're gonna add our cumin. Add it right in there for some nice flavors right there. All right, now we got our soy sauce. I believe we did a tablespoon of soy sauce right in there for you. And we're gonna add some cilantro. I love cilantro. Even when I was in the army in the Middle East, I saw a lot of this used, and I've always used it everywhere I went. Very good stuff. And of course, you're gonna add your teaspoon of salt and your black pepper. All right, and then we're gonna add our oil. So let's just add it right there and do some magic here. All right, let's whip this up. Let's get all mixed in there. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Oh, that smells so good. All right, let's add our flank steak in here. Let's move it around in there and get it nice and mixed up. And normally I would put this in a Ziploc bag, but this will work right here. We're gonna marinate it for at least 4 hours. Sometimes I like to go even longer, but this is a smaller one, so we'll be fine. We'll let this sit here for 4 hours and let's go. All right, 4 hours are gone. Now we're gonna take out our steak after it's been nice and marinated right there. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Pat it down. We always pat it down so it doesn't flare up and we have a different type of smoke in this house. All right, here we go. Let's listen for that sizzle. Then we're gonna put a pinch of salt right on top of there. Throw a little bit behind for luck. Oh yeah, baby. All right, we're here waiting for the first 7 minutes on the grill here. Sometimes if you see there's a hotter spot on one side or the other and you got your Oklahoma Joe, you can actually rotate it just so maybe the other side can get the same type of heat that this side got on. So now we're just waiting for it to get grilled, nice and grilled for you on this side, and then we'll flip it over and we'll do it again. All right, we're gonna take this off. One thing I did is I switched tongues so we don't cross-contaminate. This is the one I put it on with the raw. This is the one we're gonna flip it over and check it. We're gonna actually check the temperature on there. Oh yeah, baby. It's right there where we want it. All right, now we're gonna move it over. Woo! We're gonna let it rest here for about 5 minutes. Let all those juices go back in and get nice and juicy, and then we're gonna cut into it and let's see what we got. All right, well, now we let it rest. We had it sitting here for a little bit, about 5 minutes. We're gonna cut into it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up so we can cut into the opposite of the grain. Remember, they never go with the grain. It'll be a tough chew on you, and we don't want no tough chew when you're cooking for your friends and family and all that, because then they think, well, Steve taught you this, he don't know what he was doing, so let's do it right. So we're gonna cut it in a section. We'll go here, and I'm gonna go right here. All right, might look a little weird because I said not to cut with the grain, but the reason we did it is so I can turn it and have sections where I can cut against the grain. All right. Oh yeah, look at that, juicy. Let me show you that before I cut into that. Look how pretty that is. All right, let's cut right into that. Oh yeah, look at that, juice is flowing. Beautiful juices. Is I'm gonna finish with the finishing rub just to give it a little kick. I'm gonna put some Luton Booty Al Grande right on there. Just to give it a little kick. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. There you go. All right, we got them all chopped. We let them rest. Throw some cilantro right on there. You know, and just to give it some loving. Sometimes you just add a little extra lime juice right in there. So you can do it with tacos. You can do it with me, a burrito. I like a big burrito with some beans in there. But I said you can throw your shells back on the grill. You can give it a nice juiciness and nachos. Forget about it. There's a lot of things you can do with the carne asada. We're gonna dig right into the carne asada and try it out and see what it's all about. Oh yeah, baby, delicioso. It's so good and juicy. Carne asada can never go wrong with your family and friends. And I'm Steve-O. Until next time, keep cooking with Cowboy.